Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to show you a very easy apple drawing. It's a basic drawing for kids. So let's get started. Make a shape of C, another C, join both of the shapes together. Now it's done. Now I am making one apple here, one more apple, and one more apple here. To make it more attractive, I am making eyes in it. And a smiling face. Our apple drawing is complete, and now I am using black sketch pen to make the outline. Use a black sketch pen to make an outline of this. Now outline is complete. As you all of know that apples are of three colors, red color, golden and green. So in center apple I will use the red color and one apple of green color and one is golden yellow color. I am using the red crayon to color it. Now I will use green crayon in another apple and yellow crayon to show the golden apple, red and black sketch pen to color in the mouth. Green crayon in their leaves. And brown on the top. Our apples are ready to eat. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So friends, if you like my video, do please subscribe to my channel Be Artistic with Sim, and also share my videos, and for more such attractive and interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.